Hello everyone. This video demonstrates a brand new, creative knitting technique that works with both thin and thick yarns. The knitting consists of a vertical open work section with 3 loops and a separator with 2 loops. There are 4 rows in the scheme. This well-centered motif is responsible for the lovely texture and delicate relief. I'll go into depth on how it is done. Let's start from the right side. Row 1 right side, we work with loop in groups of 5. Purl 2 loops for a divider. In this row, we prepare the main 3 loops for centering the main motif. Change the places of the first and second loops by slipping them in this way without knitting. Knit the third one. Again. Purl 2, slip 2, exchange their places. Knit 1. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 2 wrong side. Knit 2 loops for a divider. From the next 3 loops, we make 5. Knit them together through the back. Yarn over from the bottom up. Knit again. Yarn over, knit again. From 3 loops we got 5. Again, knit 2. Knit 3 together. Yarn over, knit 3 together. Yarn over, knit 3 together. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 3 right side, purl 2 loops for a divider. From the next 5 loops, we form the main figure. These are 2 yarn over loop from the previous row. From them, we form the 2 edge loops of the figure on the right and left. In the middle, we knit 3 loops together. Knit the first yarn over through the front. In the middle, knit 3 loops together with the central second loop. Knit the second yarn over through the back. Again. Purl 2, knit 1 through the front. Knit 3 together. Knit 1 through the back. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 4 wrong side, here things get simpler. Knit 2 loops for a divider. Purl 3. Again, knit 2. Purl 3. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. I have introduced you to a new original knit with a beautiful unique texture that will add elegance to any garment knitted with it. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button, Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.